Hi everybody, this is Andrea Dickerson again. Welcome to another episode of Daycare Success TV. And today I wanted to do just a quick video for you guys on the binder system. And I have right here with me my new hire binder. So, I talked to you all about making sure everything has a binder so that you can quick reference all the information that you may need for your child care facility. Let it be, create you some binders for them. So today, for example, I want to talk about my new hire binder. It's color coded. It's orange, and I have it labeled new hire binder. So this inside of this new hire binder is everything that I need to go over with an employee or have an employee fill out before they actually start working within the program with the children. So I'm going to open it up and go over just what's inside of the new hire binder. Well, the first thing I have in the new hire binder are my rules. These are my rules right here. These are the rules through Bright from the Start, which is my licensing agency. And if you'll notice, I'm going to turn it this way. If you would notice, let me make sure you can see it in the camera, that I have tabs here. And for each tab, I have it labeled, so I know exactly what's behind each tab. So I'll go over that with you quickly. The first tab talks about my employee handbook. So this is the employee handbook right here behind my tab. Let me see if I can position it where you can see it. And then, so if I needed to quick reference a rule in the employee handbook, or if I needed to quickly make a copy for an employee because they're going to get started, the original copy is right here in my handbook. Just pull it out, make a copy, and put it back. Then the next one, I have it tabbed as forms. These are all the forms that my employees will need before they start working in our program, which is a timesheet and other forms that we'll need for the program as well. Then I have another tab that talks about more about my policy, in which I have my training set up into a 90-day training period. So the first part we go over are the rules that's specifically required to Bright from the Start, and just to give them knowledge what they'll need to follow the rules before they go into the classroom. And then the next 30 days, they're going to have a training based on my policies. So I have information about my policies that I expect for them to learn within the next 30 days. And then I have a section for lesson plans. Now, this is not the lesson plans that they create. This is the information that teachers will need in order to create an acceptable lesson plan for my program. And this is a part of their 90-day orientation so that they'll know the expectations of the program. Then I have another tab that talks about classroom management. This tab has information on how I expect the classrooms to be managed. What I expect from them when they're managing the classroom program, just what it means to do it the Akiba Academy way, And then classroom forms. These forms are forms that the teachers will have to use almost every day in their classroom. If they're sending home a note or if they're requesting something from the parents, I have pre-configured letters and forms for the teachers. Let me see if I can get an example of a form out. And I also create, a binder system for the teachers in their classroom that pretty much replicates this binder so that they can have access to the forms. Now, my forms include our portfolio checklist, individual lesson plan forms. So these are forms that the teachers will use every day. And just to keep them from having to, look for forms, I already have them made up in this binder. And so when I'm doing the orientation, I'm able to go to my forms section, go over each form, explain to the teachers what these forms mean and what they're required for. So that makes the process a lot faster. And then I have my developmental milestones and assessments and progress reports. So this gives me an opportunity to go over where the children are developmentally and what the teachers should look for and how to make sure that the teachers are completing their assessments and their progress reports. So this is another part of my 90-day program, and I do this in the third month. After they've completed lesson plans and they've been trained and we know what lesson plans look for, I train them on developmental milestones, our assessments and progress reports. And then after the 90 days, excuse me, and they have went through this binder and we've coached them and we've checked and rechecked, then I also include the employee self-evaluation form, which is right here. And then that is the end of the binder. And this was just a quick tip for you guys. Again, this is called the binder system, and this is my new hire binder, and I have several other binders that I'll go over in more videos with you. Well, until then, you guys take care. Have a good day. All right, bye-bye.